lawyers, this is a three-part series about utilizing artificial intelligence and avatars for a variety of video styles to save you a lot of time and money. This is about how to use avatars for email automation. There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, coaching, and self-study courses. Technology can be a real hair puller. But when you get it to work for you, it can also become a seamless part of your operation, taking over lots of the work that otherwise took a lot of smart and talented people. I've been testing software to make law firm marketing and management cheaper and easier. And in this 3-part series, I'm talking about how to use avatars for your videos. Episode 1 was avatars doing your Facebook ads. And today is your avatars on video utilizing email automation. So what you'll find out in this episode is how to use email automation, benefits of using avatars on video with email automations, and of course, what can go wrong, and pricing. But first, a quick introduction. I've produced over 10,000 law firm videos in all different styles. Having a video is easy, but having a video that reaches or surpasses your goals is not so easy. While my marketing agency does everything related to signing new clients and streamlining your practice,
where'd they find this guy?
I think that I'm best known for video production, not only from directing so many thousands of videos and building video studios in law firms, but as the marketing agency tracking the data that proves that the videos reached their goals. And marketing, when done correctly, is a fabulous investment. So let's jump into this subject. How do you use email automation to scale up your law firm? Email automation with video, it's powerful and it makes you a lot of money, brings in a lot of new clients. Say someone signs up with an email on your Facebook ad or on your website. That person needs educational content in most practice areas. Emails go out automatically, sending videos one at a time, helping them off the fence. You can have as many emails as you want in that automation. Email automation with educational video also helps clients after they sign up. Case managers can send triggered emails, keeping them abreast about where they are in the process of their case. The benefits of using avatars with email automation. Using automation makes so many processes hands-off, but now you have an avatar to deliver your video message. When you need to update videos, you won't need to film, you won't need a crew, a studio, a wardrobe, hair, makeup, lighting, audio, post-production, or even being in the right frame of mind to film. Your avatar is always ready, always looks polished and professional, and is sporting your branding. So what can go wrong with avatars in email automations for law firms? Your avatar will need the right scripting for the desired result. Obviously, like any kind of persuasive writing, your avatar isn't going to be writing the scripts. Avatars, well, they can be stiff. Their inflections aren't always right, and they're not as emotional as a real person. They might pause or nod their head when it just doesn't work. Let's just look at my sample so that you can decide for yourself.
Hi, I'm Mary. Welcome. I'm an avatar created by artificial intelligence. This email automation series will help educate you about what you're up against when you think you may need a lawyer.
Hola, soy María. Soy un avatar creado con inteligencia artificial. Esta serie lo ayudará a informarse sobre a lo que se enfrenta cuando cree que puede necesitar un abogado.
How much would law firms pay for avatars with email automation? If you're interested in video avatars, we'll create them for you based on our successful track record. It's $3.99 monthly. We write the scripts, brand the videos for your law firm, and at first we're going to send you 10 videos at once because I know that you're going to need all of them for following up. But then it'll be 3 videos a month thereafter, and that ends up being $159 per video. How would you use avatars for email automation to scale up your law firm? With Facebook ads, or with your website, or Google Maps even, get their email in exchange for a series about how or why they should hire a lawyer. Send a series of emails with videos that educate your potential clients. Using email automation, it's hands off. It's easy once you get it all set up. And having your avatar on video means quickly creating those videos with the right message in more than one language. In next week's video, episode 3, I'm sharing about how law firms can use artificial intelligence videos for training your staff in order to scale up your law firm. Your avatar can work for you 24/7 while you go back to practicing law. Reach out with your questions, inspiration, or ideas anytime by emailing me. My name is Mary Cary, and my email address is mary@GoMediaMarketing.com. Here's to your success. Join us on Facebook, and if you're on YouTube, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That's so that more law firms like yours can find this content. Thank you so much.